I'm gonna.
Are you okay?
I feel big smoking.
Oh, I got it at that time. Woo! Water splash!
What's going on? Feel like something's going up in the air.
The water! I see your thing right there.
Look, there was one, or another ring of smoke. Hey, that looks like a smoke ring.
Oh.
The people are probably in there on their phones.
Oh, I got a cannon fire. I don't know what it feels like. It's what it was like doing it in World War II. Where on the west are these guys? Yeah, I hear them over there. Okay, I see people are coming here. This should be fun. A cannon fire. I can hear no order there, that's dishes.
Hey Henry, they probably ate them too.
They probably did. Yeah. They probably ate them in. What was their goal?
To fight freedom?
What were they trying to protect?
Freedom?
I don't know.
Oh shoot, I heard drums. This should be fun. My arm is getting tired.